Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to change your profile picture on Discord using a PC, especially after the latest update. Let's get started. First things first, open Discord on your PC. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look for the gear icon located at the bottom left of the screen. This gear icon represents the user settings. Click on it to access your account settings. Now, you'll see several options on the left sidebar. Click on My Account. This is where you can manage your profile information. Next up, find and click on the Edit User Profile button. This opens up your profile customization options. Now, here's where the fun begins. Click on Change Avatar and then select Upload Image. This action will open a file browser where you can choose an image from your computer. Navigate to the image you want to use as your new profile picture, select it, and click Open. Remember to choose an image that represents you well. Once your image is uploaded, you'll see a preview. Feel free to make any adjustments you need, like cropping or repositioning, to ensure it looks just the way you like. When you're satisfied with your new avatar, click on Apply to confirm your changes. Lastly, don't forget to hit the Save Changes button at the bottom. And there you go. Your new profile picture is now live for all your friends and members of your Discord community to see. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.